Hey guys, if you want to see how I made this cupcake bouquet, just keep watching. So I'm going to be taking 1 box of cake mix and I'm just going to follow the directions to mix the batter. I'm going to be using colorful cupcake trays because I want my bouquet to be colorful. It is for Mother's Day, but you can use whatever color that you like. Now you want to cook the cupcakes according to the box directions, and this is how mine's turned out. So the cupcakes are done. I made 24 minus 2. I should say they were missing. And then we're going to get started. I got this stuff from Walmart, but I did find them in Dollar Tree as well. So I have this little lantern. It is a 6-inch lantern. Wash this out. And then for the styrofoam, I have a 5.7-inch. It's also from Walmart, but you can get it from Dollar Tree. And this was labeled as a 6-inch, even though it says 5.7. So I'm gonna open it just to test it out. I'm not sure, like, if all the cupcakes are on top, is it gonna be sturdy? So I might want to put like some marbles at the bottom of it. Now I'm going to be attaching the cupcakes. In order to attach them, I'm going to be using toothpicks, and I'm going to place the toothpicks on the styrofoam ball in a shape of a triangle, just so you can have maximum hold for the cupcakes. I'm only pushing the toothpicks in maybe 1/3 of the way in, and then 2/3 would be for the cupcake. So once I have the cupcakes pretty much in place where I want them, I'm going to be taking some artificial flowers and leaves, and this is where you just get creative. I just want to fill in these scarce spots where you can still see white. I don't want any white showing. I just want it to look like a flower bouquet. Another thing that you can do is use icing for the cupcakes. My family is not really an icings person, so that's why I left them blank. But you can definitely use a decorating tip to achieve a flower look on the actual cupcake.
So now I'm just going to play around with it until I get the desired look that I want. At the end, I did end up taking the artificial flowers off and adding real flowers. I just like the look of it better, and this is how it came out. It was so fun making. The cupcakes were good and it was beautiful. My mom liked it. I'm going to insert a little clip, a little small mini clip of our Mother's Day.
You can open them now.